Welcome to a new video where you find ideas and inspiration to decorate your home. This home tour of Kate's house. Enjoy and comment on your ideas. In the living room. Changing the colors of cushions can significantly impact the overall aesthetic and style of a room for several reasons. 1. Color psychology. Different colors evoke different emotions and moods. For example, bright and bold colors like red or yellow can create a lively and energetic atmosphere, while cool tones like blue or green can promote relaxation and calmness. By changing the colors of cushions, you can alter the perceived ambience of the space. 2. Contrast and harmony. The color scheme of a room greatly affects how different elements complement or contrast with each other. By choosing cushions in colors that either harmonize or contrast with the existing decor, you can create a cohesive or eye-catching look, respectively. 3. Focal point. Cushions can serve as a focal point in a room, drawing the eye and making a statement. By selecting cushions in a bold or contrasting color, you can instantly change the focus of the space and create visual interest. 4. Seasonal or thematic changes. Changing cushion colors allows for easy updates to reflect seasonal or thematic changes in decor. For example, switching to warm tones in autumn or pastel shades in spring can instantly transform the look and feel of a room. Overall, the style of decoration can change dramatically with just a simple adjustment in cushion colors because of the significant impact that color has on the mood, cohesion, focal points, and overall aesthetic of a space. In the dining room. The contrast of dark wood and white is a tip in decorating a dining room for the cottage style because it creates a visually appealing and cozy atmosphere. The dark wood adds warmth and richness to the space, while the white provides a clean and bright contrast. This combination is classic and timeless, evoking a sense of traditional charm and comfort that is characteristic of cottage-style decor. Additionally, the contrast between the dark and light hues helps to highlight the architectural details and textures of the space, enhancing the overall aesthetic and creating a welcoming ambience for family gatherings and meals. In the kitchen. Wooden utensils are commonly used in cottage kitchen decoration because they exude a traditional and rustic charm that fits well with the cozy and homey atmosphere typically found in cottage kitchens. Additionally, wooden utensils are durable, functional, and versatile, making them practical choices for cooking and food preparation. They also add warmth and texture to the space, creating a welcoming and nostalgic ambience. Overall, the use of wooden utensils helps enhance the overall aesthetic and appeal of the cottage kitchen, making it a popular choice for interior decoration. Candelabra-shaped iron lamps are commonly used in the cottage farmhouse style because they add a rustic and vintage touch to the decor. The candelabra shape mimics traditional candle holders, which were often used in farmhouses for lighting before the advent of electricity. This style of lamp complements the cozy and welcoming aesthetic of cottage farmhouse decor, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in the space. Additionally, the iron material adds texture and durability to the design, enhancing the overall rustic charm of the room. In the bedroom, cottage style is characterized by a cozy and relaxed atmosphere, often featuring natural materials like wood, as well as soft and comfortable furnishings. Arched windows are a common architectural feature in cottage-style homes, adding a charming and whimsical touch to the space. The bench below the window provides a functional and inviting seating area, perfect for enjoying the view outside or simply relaxing with a book. Overall, the combination of the arched window and bench creates a cozy and inviting cottage-style bedroom.